FormNext is a really important event for us for machine and material. It's a landmark event. It's a way to meet all our customers, see how the industry is evolving, gathering trends. It's also a showcase of our innovation capability, new product.
What is making Prodways very specific is that we are designing the machine and also the material, making sure that machine materials are working together towards achieving what the customer needs.
Prodways Machines were able to help customers in terms of finding the best solutions for them because we really do have expertise in many industries.
So we have been up very early stages with Prodways about identifying what the throughput we needed from the machines, which material we need to use. So I think those two things are the most important.
One of the key factors to get good products is more or less combining machine parameters with material parameters.
We believe that the material are definitely going to be the key factor in the 3D industry. I'm a big believer in the machine is going to adapt to whatever we have to print.
So I would say that's the main synergy in the group.
Prodways Group in the future is just expanding and growing, and our brand being really big. And everybody will know our name for sure if they don't already know it.
As a business, we need to work with the leaders, and I think Prodways is one of those.